Welcome to day 20.
Day 21.
This old man, I'm going to play the melody first, the harmony second. The harmony is very much an oompa melody, so concentrate on your tone. And I'll give 2 counts, then 2 counts of silence, and then we come in. Here we go. 1, 2. Harmony, 1, 2. Okay, so the harmony on that one, there's, I think, possibly a wrong note that I put in there, the G. And as a brass player, it's really easy to kind of miss a note because it's all partial. So you really need to hear what it is in your head in advance before you play so that you know what it's going to sound like. Otherwise, you're kind of lost. So practice your partials up and down, where you just practice notes up and down in one position, then another position, so that you get the right thing. Okay, if this video helped you or you had fun playing along with it, hit the accent or the like button and have a great day.